How to fix Instagram feed not refreshing. If your Instagram feed isn't updating, if your posts aren't loading or keep seeing the same content, it's usually due to connectivity issues or app glitches. Here's a step-by-step guide on how you can fix it easily. First thing first, you can start by checking your internet connection. Go to your control panel, toggle your Wi-Fi off, and turn it on. Or you can just switch to mobile data and try to refresh your feed again. So I'll just go over here, go to home screen, and I'll just try to refresh my feed. As you can see, it completely worked and my feed is now refreshed. If that didn't work, then you need to close Instagram completely, even from your recent apps, and reopen it again, because sometimes doing this fixes most of the problems. If that still didn't work, then you need to clear Instagram's cache. Go to settings menu, then find app settings, tap on it, scroll down and find Instagram from the list. I'll just keep scrolling here, find Instagram, tap on storage, and then tap on clear cache. Once you have done that, all you have to do is disable any power saving or battery limiting modes on your device. Long press on the power button and tap on restart, and you should be good to go. If none of this works, then you can try to log out of Instagram and log it back again to refresh your account session and force the feed to reload. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.